And the Oscar goes to TsoTsi.
Silahlekelwe, Africa. God bless Africa. Wow. I have a speech, it's in my pocket, but that thing says 38 seconds and mine's way too long. So go to TsoTsi.com and there's a huge long list of people, because I'm accepting this not for myself. This is for best foreign language film. It's sitting right there to start with. Please stand up. Presley, Iqhawe and Terry Peto, my two fantastic young leads. Put the cameras on them, please. Ngiyabonga kakhulu Mfwethu and Sisi. Viva Africa, viva. Amandla. I got 10 seconds. 10 seconds. I just want to thank my fellow nominees who I've become deep friends with. We may have foreign language films, but our stories are the same as your stories. They're about the human heart and emotion. It says, please rap. Thank you so much. Thank you, the Academy. Thank you.